it. You wanted me to beat it, beat it. Not a problem, baby. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Bitch, better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch, better have my money. Please don't call me on my bluff. Pay me what you want it. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Bitch, give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just got a shot. Kamikaze if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, you white, you sexy. I'm not brand new. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Tell me what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. You forgot. Don't act like you forgot. You forgot. You forgot. You are. I need to get you alone. You forgot. You forgot. Why not? A fucking good time, never get nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not my party. If you love me good, then I'm so sorry. I gotta give it to her like we ain't married. Oh, like we ain't married. No, tell nobody. You're on your left.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're tryna make your boots fall off. And if think I wanna smash them all now, speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, it's gas pedal. Black money, let them say amen. I'm just tryna make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, same friend. I play off, play night, DJ, amen. Room full of bubbers, tell them give me jumper. Beat it up, now I want hit the covers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? D545 North King, your crew. West side, baby, do what you do. And you got tell what that shit do. It's pretty new, nah, it's the way that I grow. I be stepping up in the club, they make it back to my show. I do Mac as I spoon, but I don't give a fuck. Silverware, new style to be, I can afford to score. You got like, got a girl, I hit it again. Got a booty like this, I'm tryna make it. Wow, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you
Low battery, please charge.
don't wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal.
What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little thug. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up.
Been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got seven in my outfit. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Let's talk and get my throat out. If you keep rocking me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I'm gonna get a guy. I have it when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me. I'll work it just like that. Just like that.
Shake that thing, miss. Gonna shake that.
Hindi na ako marunong magbigo. Wait lang. Paano ko siya tatanggalin? Hindi na ako marunong magtanggal. Ay, naantok na ako. Paano siya tanggalin?
Miss Jody and the one named
Ay,
Rebecca, yo,
love. Hi,
shake
love.
that thing, Miss. Can I
Andyan
shake
ka.
that thing, yo?
Hi.
Annabella, shake that thing, Miss.
Paano ko siya
Yo, Miss Jody
tatanggalin?
and the one named Rebecca, yo, shake that thing.
Paano siya
That
itatanggal?
thing, yo, yo, and I say that thing, yo, and I better say that thing, yo,
Hindi ko siya matanggal. Paano siya tatanggalin? Hindi ko alam. Ba yan?
Huh, that's it.
I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't intimate.
You're not intimate.
I'm not intimate. I already know the game.
Paano kita matatanggal? Can you, disconnect me? Can you disconnect me? Marco, can you disconnect me? I need solo live eh. Paano ko siya matatanggal? Inayupak. Kuya. Brother, can you disconnect me po? Paano ba kita madi-disconnect?
Okay.
Kuya, paano ba? Paano ba kita ma-disconnect?
Oh. Push play, play. Push play.
Yes.
See.
Uy. Paano to i-disconnect tong bulbul na to? Hindi ko alam. Hindi na ako marunong magbigo. Ayun, buti naman. Nakaintindi siya. Wait lang ah.
I'ma tell you what you can't.
Asa na siya? Wala na, no? Hello! Hi, hello! 1 Pahingi ako 1K! 1K agad. Pa-birthday mo na sa akin! Nag-birthday na ako. Wala kayong pa-birthday sa akin. Galing ako sa bundok. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng umitim na ako. Uy, 1 Pahingi ako 1K! Wala na akong pera. Nag-birthday kasi ako. Gusto niyo makita? Wait lang ah. Ayusin ko lang. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang yung nipple tape ko. Thank you! Sakit. Wait lang ah. Joke lang. Ang hirap gumalaw. Wait lang.
I just wanna get your attention. You just wanna be all up in your head. You just wanna get some.
Wala. Pahinga 1K. Wala. Ito.
Ganyan mahal talaga. Sayang lang na.
Tingnan mo, may pinasilip ako dito. Ito nga. Gago lang.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan. Di ganyan mahal talaga.
Tingnan mo.
Sayang lang ang buhay mo. Kung makakagalaw
Manyak.
sa kanya.
Wait lang. Ito, papakita ko.
Explain ko lang ha.
Uy, Bert, hello po. Ayaw pang tanong. Uy, kumusta na kayo dito? Uy, andyan yung taga-Japan. Wait lang. Tingnan niyo yung ano ko, panty ko. Nakatibak na ako. Ready na ako, guys. Ready na ako makayat. Charot. Joke lang. Nagbabagong buhay na nga ako. Isang buwan na nga ako hindi nagbibigo eh. Nagpapakabait na nga ako eh. Minsan. Na 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 na. Gusto niyo yung malalang pillow ride, guys? Baka mamatay kayo pag nakita eh. Pillow ride, pillow ride. Mamaya, pakita ko saglit. Nag-swimming ako kagahap nung birthday ko. Meron malala. Sinong malala? Anong malala? Malala yung alin? Hoy, bagsakan nyo naman ako. Birthday gift niya sa akin. Parang binabayo lang ah. Wait lang ha.
Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bale na lang kaya ako. Oops! Teka. Hindi siya Amerikana, hindi rin siya Koreana, hindi isang Britanya.
Meron ba ito eh? Wait lang. Hindi ito yun. Asan na yung Turk ko? Wait lang, may IG ako. Minsan, sana nakapost yun sa akin. Ha? Hindi nakapost sa IG. Nagbe-behave na po ako, hindi na po ako masama. Bawal akong magmasama. Patay ako. Asan na yun? Ay, antok ah. Asan na yun? Ito.
Ayan na! Ako ba'y nalulula? Hindi ko
Higita yung mukha ko eh. Baka maban ako. Kwento ko na yung... Miss mo ba? Manong miss? Namimiss niyo yun? Ano ba yan? Ayoko na magpasama.
say hey.
I really love you too much. Love mo talaga ako? Gusto ko na mag-gym. Kasi nataba na ako eh. Nagano kasi ako, tawag dun. Nasobrahan ako sa kain ng birthday ko. Guys, bigyan niyo naman ako pa birthday gift. Kawawa naman ako, wala na akong pera. Nala, natatakot ako. Wait lang, send ko ba sa network ko? Wait lang. Guys, bigyan niyo ako birthday gift, guys. Hindi na ako nagla-live, guys. Guys, hindi na ako nagbibigo. Wala na akong pera. Hindi ako kumita ngayong month. Kawawa naman ako.
These hoes ain't loyal. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These hoes ain't loyal. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These hoes ain't loyal.
Fred, hello, Fred. Parang napikilig ako ngayon. Nalilibugan ako.
Bitch, me, ass in a bitch. Bitch.
I'm a savage asshole. I'm a
Fresh na fresh. Bakit? Nabulok ba ako noon, ha? Nabulok ako, nabulok.
No switches.
Gawin mo sa... Talaga ba? Gawin ko sa'yo. Parang ang sarap na magkaroon ng jowa, guys. Nakikilig, nalilibugan na ako.
I got a feel. I got a sexy bag. I got a sexy bag. I got a sexy bag. I got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, no ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, like this. Immaculate conception, I transform like this, perform like this. Wish else you a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate. They're off your fucking head. Just that put the kiss to bed. Just that I
Kausap mo naman kami. Kawawa ka na. Pillow ride, ma'am. Ayoko. Half day yung bilat ko. Saan galing? Bakit, Jeff? Sino si Jeff? Saan ako galing? Sa bahay. Oo nga, nakakabuntis. Nag-gym, tapos nabibintang ako. Buntis na agad. Guys, pagsakan nyo na ako para mag-pillow ride na ako. Pagsakan nyo ako ng 1K, dali. Mag-pillow ride ako, dali. Dali na, mag-pillow ride ako, 1K. Go. Para makita nyo naman paano ako mag-pillow ride. Go, 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 go. Dahil na habang nasa mood ako, guys. Dali na! Mamba! Bri! Love, go! 1K, pillow ride. Dali! Ipakita mo naman sa kanila yung pillow ride. Dali na! Bago ako matulog, dali. Basain ko yung bilang ko. 1 hello. Guys! May binili ako, guys. Dumating na siya. Ano to? Pero ayoko pa siya gamitin eh. Kinakabahan ako. May ano na siya. May dila na siya. Tapos may ano. Ewan po, hindi ko alam kung paano siya gamitin. Kinakabahan ako. Wala lang. Naisipan ko lang siya bilhin. Naisipan! Malay ko lang. Baka bumalik ako sa ano, pagbibigo. Bumalik ako sa pagbibigo, gamitin ko to. Ah, ginamit nga. Hoy, hindi! Hindi siya pwede gamitin. Iba yon. Oy, iba.
Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa amiga e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê sabe, o Guga vai analisar. Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa amiga e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê sabe, que o Livinho vai te olhar. Pode sendo.
Kruger, hello. Kruger. Be, birthday ko, be. Hindi mo ako bigyan ng birthday gift. Kruger. Si Kruger, ano ba to? Nagpapa-avail ka ba? Ma'am, kausapin mo naman ako. Bigyan lang kita dilata. Bigyan lang kita dilata. Pwede naman. Anong dilata yan? Fred, hello. Hello, Je.
White bitch on detox, little teapot, two left me, them Reeboks. Shawty did freelance, now she a freak out. Should've never let the bitch alone when I see mine. Got a bitch skip it, poppin' in my Reeboks. Talk about a detox, pussy like a beatbox. All grown up, bitch looking like Selena. White bitch on detox, little teapot, two left me, them Reeboks. Shawty did freelance, now she a freak out. Should've never let the bitch alone when I see mine. Got a bitch skip it, poppin' in my Reeboks. Talk about a
Mikey, hello.